Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Harbor Freight's got some new goodies that I went ahead and picked up. We've got the new G2 4.5-inch stubby ratchet. It's the non-flex. They did have the flex head available at my location, but I already have a stubby flex head, so I wanted to go with this one. We've got the G2 10-inch standard ratchet. I already have a 10-inch ratchet. I wanted the flex head version of this, but they were out of stock, so I went ahead and got this one instead. And then we've got the new 1/4-inch index head ratchet. They've had the 3/8 inch for a while, but it was just too bulky for me. And I recently got this 3/8 inch husky indexing ratchet from John. So if you haven't seen that video, I will link it. So I was really excited to get this one and try this one out. So let's take a look at them. All right, so it's a pretty elegant and simple look for the stubby here. Of course, Icon always has a super nice feel to the ratchet. What I like about it is that it's a little bit shorter than my gear wrench, but it is going to be wider, quite a bit wider. But I like the way this sits in my hand. I feel like I could get a good grip on it. And I've got an Icon socket here. Fits nice on there. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. This reminds me a lot of my Capri, very similar style ratchets. As far as the grip goes, I don't know. I like them both. This was why I was hesitant to get this one, because I already have this Capri that I love so much. And these are both 90 teeth. Well, I haven't lubed this up yet, obviously. I just got it out of the package. So once I put some super lube on there, that might change the action a little bit. But at this moment, they're very similar. And I love this Capri. So I'll put the Icon to use and see how I like it in comparison. I definitely love Icon, but I also love Capri, so we'll see. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I never know how to get these out of here. Okay. So little bit of play when you lock it, but not enough to really cause issues. Not that smooth. It's not the smoothest. It doesn't say how many teeth there are. It doesn't say how many teeth there are on the packaging. But I'll lube it up and see if that makes a difference. I like that now I have two sizes for these indexing heads. But yeah, what do y'all think? I'm going to keep an eye on the Harbor Freight stores in my area for the flex head version, because I definitely want to get that one. And I will let you know once I put these to use what I think about them. But yeah, I'm super excited about this new G2 rollout. If you guys have already gotten some, let me know which ones you got. And if you haven't, which ones do you want to get? Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for some more videos. Hit that like button and consider subscribing if these videos bring value to you. I appreciate it. Stay happy, healthy, and wealthy.